Hello my dear friends. In this video we are going to check out some awesome animals that are hidden in the box. This treasure box has so many animals. And there is a barren land next to me. This barren land has three different parts for keeping domestic animals, wild animals and Jurassic animals. So come on, let's sort them. This animal is Ankylosaurus and it's a Jurassic animal. It has so many spines on its body and it is a vegetarian animal. Come on, let's place it in a Jurassic part. Which animal is next? It is giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck and it goes to wild animal category. Oops, it's falling down. Do you know giraffe has a tall neck and that helps it to eat grass from tall trees? Next, let us see which animal. Oh, this is a turtle. Sea turtle. It's a sea animal. It's a wild animal category. So let's place it in the wild animal category. Next, again let's hunt in the box. This time it's a Diplodocus dinosaur. It's a vegetarian dinosaur. It eats only leaves and fruits. Come on, let's place it in the Jurassic Park category. Next, we have Parasaurolophus and it's also a ancient extinct dinosaur. Let's keep it in the Jurassic category. Next we have cow. Cow is a domestic animal and it gives us milk. So let's keep it in the domestic animal category. Next, let's pick the Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus has so many spikes on its back and tail. This is also a dinosaur and it's also a Jurassic animal. This one is also a domestic animal. It is horse. It says neigh neigh. Do you know it sleeps while standing? Wow, that's so amazing fact about horse. Next, let's pick this sheep. Sheep says Baba and it gives us wool, and it is also no, it's not wild animal, it's a domestic animal. So let's place it along the cow. Next, let's pick T-Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's my favorite dinosaur, a deadly dinosaur. Let's place it in the Jurassic animal category. Now this is a hen. Hen goes in the Jurassic animal category. No. It goes in the domestic animal category. And hen gives us eggs. It eats some grains. Next, let's pick up this rhino. It's so cute and it belongs to wild animal category. Whoa, next animal is reindeer. Reindeer belongs to wild animal category. Let's place it here. Come on, next to rhino. Alright, next let's pick up this duck. Duck is also a domestic animal or a farm animal. Let's put it next to the horse. Now this is again, and it is a Centrosaurus. It's also a Jurassic animal. Let's place it in the next to the T-Rex. Next, let's take this. This is a shark. It's very dangerous animal. It has sharp teeth. Let's place it in the wild animal category. The next one, let's pick this cute hippo. Hippo is a wild animal, so let's place it next to the shark. Next, let's take this goat. Goat says meh meh and it is a domestic animal, so let's place it in the domestic animal category. Oh, see, we have picked so many animals. Let's now pick these three last animals, and they all are Jurassic animals. So let's place all the three animals in the Jurassic animals category. Whoa! Now our barren land is filled with all types of animals, domestic animals, wild animals, and Jurassic animals. Whoa, it looks so amazing. That's all in today's video. We have so many collection of animal plastic toys, African elephant, African jungle animals, and so many sea animals. Let's subscribe to the channel and watch all the videos one by one. Bye bye.